Hello, hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art, and today we have some super cute paper cats for you. What I love about these cats is they actually stand up and they make a super cute decoration. And guess what? They're easy to make as well. Just a very quick mention, my Easy Paper Projects books. We have a very similar, where is it? Chicken in here. And the cool thing about this craft is you learn how to make the basic shape and then you learn how to turn it into all sorts of different things. So here we have some cute little chicks, and today I'm going to show you the same principle but as a little cat for Halloween. So come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. To make our adorable paper cats, we need a square piece of paper. It doesn't matter what size. This one's about 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. The first thing we do is bring one corner over to the other to create a triangle. Turn it round so that you have the long side facing you. Bring this corner up, and this is a slightly tricky bit. You want this line here to be parallel to this line down here, and bring it right to the corner. So you've got a straight line at the top and a straight line at the bottom. Straight, straight. Now we're going to repeat that with the other side. Bring it over, straight line across the top and the bottom. Now you fold one flap down, flip it over and fold the other flap down. Crease nicely. And then open it up and tuck this in. And then you can leave this flap if you want, but I like to tuck it into my little arm. I just think it makes it a bit more secure. And now it's being fiddly. It's not actually that fiddly. There we go. Tuck it in. Nice and neat. There we go. And you have your basic shape. This is actually the paper cup that I mentioned earlier. There we go. Time for decorating. Now, of course, you don't have to decorate it. You can just use it as a little paper cup, but I think they're really sweet as little cats. So I'm going to cut out 2 triangles for the ear and a little heart for the nose. If you're working with younger children, you can do the cutting, they can do the sticking and the folding. A little heart for the nose. Then you're also going to need 2 eyes. Again, you can play around with the eyes. We've got some oval ones, got like some semicircle ones. I'm going to do some more oval ones because I quite like those for Halloween. And I love that you're using up scraps of paper, which is also the ethos of my book. You know, by keeping all those little bits, you can reuse them as different features later on. So glue the ears in place. Almost finished. We just need a little cat's tail. Now, as I mentioned, I cut my paper down earlier to make my square. I've kept the scraps. Just do kind of an L-shaped tail. Add a little bit of glue. And your basic paper cat is finished. There's only one thing left to do. We want to make it 3D and stand up, because these do stand up. Look at that, they're cute. There we go. What you do is you pop your fingers in and then you gently push in the top. And hey presto, you have a little 3D cat. Aren't they cute? So just quickly again so you can see what they look like standing up. They really do stand really nicely. They're super fun to play with. They're super cute to make. So yeah, cute, fun and easy. Cute. Now, as mentioned at the beginning of the video, in my new Easy Paper Projects book, I have the same idea but different. Let's see if we can find it. I think it's coming up here. Oh, here we go. Look at that. So look, you've got the little chicks, and it's a very simple and similar process. So if you want the step-by-step instructions plus how to turn it into a little chicken, do take a look at my paper projects book. The book is packed with easy paper crafts for kids and with lots of tips and pointers for making something and then recreating your own. So for example, like I said, in the book we have the chicken, and here we now have these fabulous cats. So if you like this craft, you might want to consider this book. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.